Hi, I'm Daniel and I'm one of the co-founders of Cooklist. In this video, we're going to do a quick overview of the sections within the Cooklist app to show you how it all works together and really kind of build that understanding of all of the unique aspects that make Cooklist really different than any other cooking or grocery shopping or meal planning app out there. So the way that we'll start is with the plan tab, and really what's unique here is you can add both products and recipes to your plan. Here I already have a plan put together. For the breakfast section, you kind of expand down. We have some protein bars for breakfast, and then also, one day of the week I'm going to make this sweet potato hash with some bacon. What's really cool here too is these are macronutrient circles on the right. So if you tap on any of the items, you can see the exact percentage breakdown for carbs, fat, and protein. And then basically all of these items that get added to your plan then are going to be turned into a shopping list. So up here we have all of the recipes that are on the shopping list, total of 49 items. And you can click on a recipe to filter the list to just show the ingredients that are specifically for that recipe. We kind of have this breakdown of which ones are not on the list because they're in your Cooklist pantry, and then the ones that are on your shopping list. You can also, when you're looking at the entire list, this is perfect for when you're going shopping in the store. You just check off the check circles on the left here as you find the items and put them in your cart. And then if you see anything that you're wondering, where did that item come from, you can just click on it and it'll bring up the information with the recipe and exactly how much that recipe is calling for that item. We'll have separate videos for each tab that kind of do a real deep dive into the nitty-gritty of how they all work. So again, this is kind of the high-level overview. So let's think about it. We're going meal planning. Meal plan turns into a shopping list. The shopping list is then turned into shopping carts. So up here at the top of the plan tab, you will have this location set here. And these are the real pricing and inventory at the grocery stores that are near you. So, here it was showing Walmart, Target, and Kroger based on my zip code. And when you go into this cart, what you'll see is each item from the shopping list is matched to a product at the grocery store. This little subtext underneath the main title is the shopping list item, and then above that is the name of the actual product that it's matched to. There's a lot of really cool technology here that we'll dive into in the shop video if you want to check it out. But the one other thing to note before we go is you can now press Start Checkout on any of these stores and order your groceries for curbside pickup or delivery. And we actually have a new partnership with Target to get free grocery delivery through the Cooklist app. There's no other kind of membership or anything required. So I would highly recommend taking advantage of that. You can get free same-day grocery delivery, and the experience we've already shown right here is pretty much similar to something like a meal kit service where you can choose some recipes and then the ingredients are delivered same day. It's awesome. Going over next, we have the pantry, and so this is your digital inventory of everything you have in your house. There's several different ways to add items to the pantry, including the barcode scanner. You can manually search or add items, and then the best one is we can connect directly to the grocery store loyalty cards. So when you go into the store and make purchases and you either type in your phone number at checkout or you scan your loyalty card, those purchases will automatically download here into your Cooklist pantry. You can organize it or sort it by category up here at the top. And then we also keep track of how old each item is in your pantry. So this red is going to be items that are expired. Yellow is items that are kind of getting close to expiring. And then green is those items are good. They still have a ways left on their expiration time. So again, we'll dive more into the pantry in a separate pantry video. And then one of the other awesome things is all of those ingredients that are in your pantry are matched to recipes. So when you go to the Cook tab, right, we've planned, we've shopped, the items that we shopped were brought into the pantry, and now the items in the pantry are going to show recipes available on the Cook tab. So this little icon here in the left showing the 9 and the pantry icon, that means this recipe is going to use 9 ingredients that are in the pantry. You can then click on any of the recipes and it's going to load in all of the details here. Sorry, the loading is just a little slow on the simulator. In the actual live app, it's much faster, but it's easier to produce these videos for demonstrations on the simulator. So here we go. It's all loaded in now, and we have some basic stats like the time and calories. And then here's kind of where it's really what we're looking for is there's 4 items in our pantry, so our soy sauce is matched to this actual soy sauce product in the pantry, and we're showing the expiration status. And then Cooklist will also try to help you use your ingredients in your pantry in new ways by making recommendations for substitutions. So here, dark brown sugar is what the recipe calls for, but it's matched to our regular or light brown sugar, which is in our pantry. And so the app tries to be as clear as it can about how it's trying to make these connections. And again, we'll dive more into that. Also, all the recipes and products all have nutrition information that all then gets tied into a whole nutrition summary in the plan tab. But yeah, that's basically the main flow if we think about planning, shopping, pantry, and cooking. The one other thing to note is Cooklist works on iOS and Android, and you can invite other people that you live with. So you can all use Cooklist together, so you can have one central shopping list, as well as building a meal plan together, and anyone can update the pantry if they finish an item or eat it. Yeah, so I think that kind of covers the basics of Cooklist. There's a lot more that we can dive into, so I would recommend checking out the pantry video next. Thanks for watching, guys.